and I started a new series. It's where I take desserts and I color them one color and one flavor, and thus the series is called One Flavor, One Color. I go more in detail on what the series is about in my first video that will be linked down below if you want to check that out. I color desserts with organic food coloring that I made from fresh fruit and vegetables. Comment down below your ideal color and flavor pairings, and who knows, maybe you'll see your comment in one of my videos. Also comment down below if you think I passed or failed in getting the color and flavor pairing correct. Stay till the end of the video to get a sneak peek on the color I'll be using in my next video. I upload every day, Monday to Friday, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And the color for today is green, and I'll be using spinach to get the green color, and the flavor will be peppermint. So today I'll be making a peppermint green mousse. A half a cup of finely chopped spinach, 4 cups of water. Pour this all into a big pot and simmer for 3 hours, stirring now and then. Sorry about the steam, but that happens when you simmer things for 3 hours. Strain through a sieve and allow to cool completely. One and a half cups of chopped white chocolate, a half a cup of cream. Place both of these in a saucepan over medium heat. Mix until smooth and well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of peppermint essence, a half a cup of spinach coloring, mix and allow to cool completely. Whip 1 and a half cups of cream. Gradually add 6 tablespoons of icing sugar. Then add in half a cup of spinach coloring. Mix the cream mixture until stiff peaks form. Pour in the cooled white chocolate mixture, and using a spatula, fold the mixture until well combined. Cling wrap the top and place in the fridge for 2 hours. You can either pipe the mixture, or if you don't have a piping bag, you can also spoon the mixture in. Enjoy green mousse. Guess what color I'm making next?